In the continuing series of videos on health problems of children, we take up today three problems: earache, ear discharge, and epilepsy. I'll outline symptoms and remedies precisely. Please listen carefully. Earache can be caused by cold, by acute tonsillitis, or by a foreign body. The infant gives a shrill, piercing cry. It beats or pulls at the ears which hurts, the particular ear which hurts, tosses his head back and forth, face is flushed. If it can describe, there is a stuffed feeling in the ear, at times deafness. Temperature rises with aggravation at night. Inflammation in the middle ear may be accompanied by vomiting and convulsions. Please don't take it easy. Consult a doctor. Homeopathy provides Aconite 30 for acute earache and throbbing in the ear on exposure to dry cold. Such a situation is accompanied by fever. There is a red shining swelling inside the ear which can be seen with a torch. If there is a sudden onset of earache, when the patient's face is flushed, red, which is worse on the right side, Belladonna 30 is the remedy. If the child cries with disproportionate pain, it is peevish. One cheek is red and hot, the other is cold and pale. This is a very interesting symptom. One cheek is red and hot, the other is cold and pale. Give Chamomilla, CHAMO MILLA 30. In sinusitis cases, when the tough mucus is going inwards, Kali by 30 helps. When there is pus in the ear, please use Merc Cor, MERCCOR 30. In cases of chronic cold, when the mucus is flowing outwards, please give the patient Pulsatilla 30, PULSATILLA 30. If there is inflammation of the middle ear, with toothache, pain travels from one ear to the other through the head, use Plantago, PLANTAGO, mother tincture, diluted with warm water in equal parts. It should be dropped into the aching ear for relief. I now take up ear discharge. This discharge can be of blood, mucus. It can be thick, bloody, offensive, painful. Often it turns into chronic. When there is pus and blood with piercing pain, mind the word piercing pain, like somebody digging with a sharp instrument having a pointed head. Heper Self 30 is of great help. If the ear discharge is bloody, offensive, the glands are swollen, it's a stabbing pain, Merc Cor 30 helps. In cases of green, bland discharge coming out smoothly, or a discharge after measles or mumps, Pulsatilla 30 is the remedy. In chronic unyielding cases, Silicea 30 comes in. a great medicine in any chronic case of ear discharge or ear infection. I now take up epilepsy, a problem which is not infrequent. There are many patients suffering from this. There is petit mal, that is milder form, that occurs between age 4 and adolescence. The child suddenly stops playing and stands stupefied for a moment. His face turns pale. He returns to normal activity as if nothing had happened. In grand mal, GRANDMAL, a sudden and complete loss of consciousness occurs. There is a spasmodic contraction of muscles followed by exhaustion and deep sleep. The patient may utter a terrifying loud shriek before convulsion. There is a violent movement of neck and head. The jaws are clenched. There is frothing at the mouth. The epileptic bites his tongue. His eyes are fixed in a stare. Or they are rolling. He clenches his hands firmly over the fingers. The veins of the forehead are distended. You can see them. The face turns pale. Urine and stool pass involuntarily. After 1 to 3 minutes, the child relaxes and goes into a deep sleep. The fit is over, but the sickness is not. Homeopathy provides fantastic remedies. Sudden convulsions with intense heat, flushed face, throbbing face, cerebral congestion, foaming at the mouth, the patient jumping in sleep, involuntary movement of bowels and bladder require belladonna 30. Please listen to the symptoms carefully again. Foaming at the mouth, sudden convulsions, intense heat, flushed face, throbbing. When epilepsy is caused by worms, the patient throws arms from side to side. There is a distortion of limbs. Inward jerking of fingers of the right hand, mind you, right hand. Distinctive symptom. CINA 30 is to be used. CINA 30 is to be used. Here's another great medicine for epilepsy. The aura begins at knee. Another distinctive symptoms. There is a spasm in fingers, palms and toes. The face is distorted. It turns blue. The jaws are contracted. There is foaming. There is unconsciousness. The remedy is Cuprum Met 30, CUPRUM MET 30. I have found it to be very effective in children as well as adults. It's almost a cure. Try. Then epilepsy which results in stammering, which is caused by fright, requires Stramonium 30. My friends, I have tried to highlight the symptoms as carefully as possible. Now it lies with you to listen to them repeatedly and find out the right medicine for exact symptoms. Homeopathy is a system which helps and helps and helps. Normally it does not fail. The medicines are effective, the system is harmless, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for finding time to listen to this video. I hope it will help you. Bye-bye.